Okay, I got this starter from off of eBay, and it wasn't that much. So it's cylinder on the starter, and it only has 2 bolts, and you got the electrical connectors back here. You can't mess up because the small one goes there and the big one goes there, and you're good to go. Just got to get this rascal out. Get that battery unplugged. Okay, my starter's right up there, and this little clip, I think it's the oil pan sensor, oil sensor. This lies right in there. This part here goes inside of that slot at the top, and the bottom section right here slides in that hole. So you have to pick a pick and stick it on top of this. Okay, I got my starter loose here. I had to push it back, then kind of turn it sideways to get it down there. I got my 2 electrical connectors right here. I'm gonna pop off this heat shield if I can. Okay, there it goes. Replacing my starter on this 04 Yukon Denali. Okay, you can't get these wires mixed up. I mean, there's only one place they go, so that's not a problem. Cleaning off my cables here. Getting my contacts. Okay, let's try this again. Other. Yeah. I'm going to cut this rubber hose and put it over the exposed wire. Make my own little heat shield here. Split it open. Just like that. That should do it. Just gonna slide it over my starter wire. Here I have it. Slide it over my wire here. Hopefully I don't smell burning rubber. Then we're gonna have a problem. But that should be okay. Okay, we got him on.